Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOpsSchools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials on any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@DevOpsSchool.
Environment ActiveGate. Environment ActiveGate upgrade is available. Okay. So what mission control will do? They will take care about upgrades. Okay. So just you think now, just you do some brainstorming and tell me if I'm using this Android mobile, I'm getting notification from something like upgrades are available for Android latest version, then where this mission control should run?
At the mobile company.
Mobile company, right? Because there. So same way, mission control also where should run?
Dynatrace server.
Dynatrace, not Dynatrace server. Dynatrace server is here. Mission control is here. So it is running on Dynatrace cloud environment.
Yeah, cloud.
Where it will run? Dynatrace cloud. Just to understand the terminology, okay?
Yes,
Cloud environment. Okay. So mission control where should run? Dynatrace cloud environment. Okay. So what it will take care? First, upgrades. Second, also it takes license validation. So once you purchase the license validation. Okay. So license validation means when you purchase the Dynatrace soft product and you have implementing, they will keep an eye on 24/7 on your license.
Okay.
Right. Now suppose you did a recharge. Okay, you did some mobile recharge for 28 days. How come you are getting a notification like your recharge is going to expire within 3 days, within a week? You are started getting call, started getting messages. You are getting, right?
Right.
Yes, you know.
Yes, yes.
Mobile validity is going to expire. You are getting a calls from the customer care. How it would be? You are getting a message from the Airtel. How? Because they are keep on eye on your
on our services,
your license. On your license. That is your license, right? You are authorized to have a call on for 28 days, means that is your license. That allowing you can make a call for 28 days. Once it is crossed 25 days or 24 days, their business is there, keep an eye and they start calling it. Am I correct?
Correct.
So same way also mission control will take care on your license validation also. They'll keep an eye on your license. When it is consumed 70%, 75% of your license quota, they'll start informing you. You will getting an email from sales team, like when you will getting a information on your Dynatrace portal, and if you have not upgraded this facility, will get what will do? They'll remove that facility. Am I correct?
Right.
It will not give you some grace period or something. Okay. It will not give you the grace period. It will stop monitoring.
It will expire and it will stop.
It will expire and it will stop monitoring your environment. Okay. Third, does it answer your mission control? Any doubt?
Yes, yes. No.
Third is health check. Health check means they will take care, because this is their components, right? So they will take care on your whether one agent is working fine, DT server is working fine, it is just, performance, all those things. They'll take care of health check. Okay, health check means like what we call, suppose you are not getting suppose you did a recharge, you are not authorized to call anything, then what you used to do?
Right.
What you used to, you create a ticket, customer support ticket, all those things, right? In my home, I'm not getting even single network. Can you have, there will be, there is a spill team, they'll come to your area, they will do some configuration, then I think you will get a, probably you'll get a network, right?
Right.
The same way, Dynatrace also will take care whether one agent it was installed on 20 hosts, 30 hosts, 50 hosts, 100.
Hey viewers, our Mastery in DevOps engineering program can help you to hone the skills necessary to succeed in high-level DevOps positions. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now and earn certification that show you are keeping pace with today's technical roles and requirements. Contact info is mentioned in the video sidebars and in the description box. Book your seats for the upcoming batches now.
Whether it is working fine or not, it is started, is pushing data or not, DT server is getting data or not, Dynatrace web UI you can able to fetch your data. So everything they will check, the health check means everything is working fine or not. Okay, so this is your Dynatrace architecture. So everywhere the DT server to mission control also port will work on 443. So everywhere we have a port 443. Okay, not any other ports. So any doubt till here that I discussed SaaS architecture?
No, Deepak.
Let's move to another advanced version of architecture.
Okay.
So advanced version of architecture on Dynatrace SaaS. First, you noted down Dynatrace SaaS has only one additional component. If you note it down like this, additional component.
Okay.
Component that name is environment ActiveGate. ActiveGate. Okay. So Dynatrace SaaS has one additional component, not other than that.
Okay.
So remaining other things we discussed already, right? One agent, Dynatrace server, mission control, web UI, REST API, all those things we discussed, right? We haven't discussed environment active. Am I correct? So Dynatrace SaaS has, so without environment ActiveGate also I can run Dynatrace portal. Am I correct? Because we did it in last architecture. So now if you have environment ActiveGate, then what you can do with that? So now, so DT server where it will be running? Dynatrace cloud environment.
Right.
This is your Dynatrace cloud environment. This is your DT server. This is your one agent installed on some of the machine. Am I correct? This is your mission control. So mission control always run where? Dynatrace environment. Dynatrace environment. What they will do? License, health check,
and upgrades.
Health check and upgrades. Now, so these things we discussed. Then we have Dynatrace web UI. Am I correct? Dynatrace portal that you are login, right? You are seeing that on the HTTP. Now REST API also you can fetch. So these things we already discussed. Now let's have another component that I'm putting here, and that is called environment ActiveGate. What we call environment ActiveGate. Environment ActiveGate. Now suppose if I don't want to send data directly to DT server, I wanted to send the data to this server, and this server will send the data to this server. It is possible. Am I correct? Okay.
Right.
So environment ActiveGate we can use for multiple purpose. Okay.
Okay.
So what this ActiveGate will do, bundle the one agent traffic and send it to DT server. Am I correct?
Okay.
Bundle, you are sending all this to one place, and then you are sending. Bundle
Okay.
to one agent traffic, bundle one agent traffic.
Hey viewers, trying to get into DevSecOps? Enroll for our DevSecOps certified professional programs and earn the certification that shows you are fit for these technical roles and requirements. Contact info is mentioned in the video sidebars and in the description box. Book your seats for the upcoming batches now.
One agent traffic and send it to where? Dynatrace?
DT cloud environment. Cloud
Dynatrace
environment.
server? Dynatrace server.
Yeah.
That is running on Dynatrace cloud environment. Second, so this we understood by the architecture itself. Right, it is sending.
Right.
Second, so this you can understand. Second, when you have a cloud monitoring in a world, we'll discuss cloud monitoring, then you should have that you should remember. For cloud monitoring, also when you would like to monitor a cloud means AWS, Azure, Kubernetes, Pivotal Cloud Foundry, VMware, okay, GCP, any of the cloud monitoring you wanted to have that in your Dynatrace, it should require what? What is required? It required environment ActiveGate. Am I correct?
Okay.
Okay, so when you wanted to have a cloud monitoring, you should have environment. Just say somebody say, I want to monitor my AWS environment. Just to say first environment ActiveGate is required. If it is installed, then only we can. If it is installed in our tenant, then only we can monitor your cloud environment. Okay. Third, synthetic monitoring from private location. Did you hear about synthetic monitoring?
Yes.
Okay. Synthetic monitoring from private location. Also, it is required environment activity. We'll discuss synthetic monitoring. Just you, I'm giving the benefit of environment activity. Okay. Fourth, database insight. That also we'll discuss later. But just to remember, why from synthetic environment activate needed? Database insight. It will be available in PPT. Don't worry. If you wanted to write, you can write. Fifth, so database insight. Fifth, when you wanted to have memory dump.
Okay.
Memory dump. Then sixth, plugin. Plugin, you know, right? Plugin means you develop some script and you wanted to upload it. For that also is required environment activity. Okay. Then mainframe traffic to Dynatrace. You know, Jet by OS. Jet by OS application is there. That is called as a mainframe application. Traffic to Dynatrace. To Dynatrace. Okay. So what are the things is required now? There's so many things. Bundle one agent traffic, cloud monitoring, extension, plugins, plugin you called, yeah, extension you called. Okay. Then synthetic monitoring from private location, database insight, memory dump. Okay. You should have what?
Environment activate.
So environment active gate you have, then only you can do. These are the 6 features I said. Then only you can do that. Got it?
Right. Right.
So one agent to environment active gate, the port should be 9999.
Okay.
Now, because you change that architecture. And
Hmm.
environment active gate to Dynatrace server port is 443. Remaining would be 443. This also should be 443. Got it?
Yes.
Any doubt? You ask,
No.
this is the architecture. If you don't understand the architecture, if you work for Dynatrace for 2 years and next 5 years, still you'll have confusion. Okay.
Okay.
So just you think, do brainstorming. And if you think something like, okay, I need to understand from here, yeah, something should be, I'm not clear from this side, yeah, that side, just you ask me. Okay, then we'll move to Dynatrace managed architecture. Okay, just I'll give you the 5 minutes just to have a look, think twice, and then if you have any doubts, just to raise your hand. Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, Deepak. So as you told, this is the advanced versions of Dynatrace architecture. Okay.
Mm.
And so here we use the environment active gate. Okay. And is it necessary to use this environment active gate for all the applications?
Environment active gate, it is used for.
Hey viewers, are you looking for formal training on SRE practices? Take our SRE program. This course will teach you how to successfully implement site reliability engineering in the modern day 24/7 services. Kickstart your SRE training today. Contact info is mentioned in the video sidebars and in the description box. Book your seats for the upcoming batches now.
For all the applications, if you can give some example.
Now, yeah, so now you're coming to the points. Okay, that is the reason I told you, do some brainstorming. Okay.
Yeah.
Application where it is deployed on some of the machine. Okay.
Right.
So all the machine, what we install?
Agent.
What we use? Agent. Dynatrace agent. One agent, your agent, what you call, installed it. Okay. Environment active gate, what I told, it is an additional component. So additional component always install on dedicated VM. So I'll spin up a new VM, where I will install environment active gate. Okay. I don't care about. So just to think, you see the architecture, application host is different somewhere else. Am I correct? Environment active gate in somewhere else. All the information, it is going to environment active gate. Okay. And then environment active gate is sending to Dynatrace cloud. Means that Dynatrace server. Okay. So means that environment active gate is, suppose you are a sales guy. Just to think how it is happening. So owner will be one guy. There will be a lot of members who is working on sales. So I told you, somebody work on Bangalore, this area, somebody work on this area, somebody working on electronic city. So somebody, what will do? Will sit somewhere, and what they will do? They'll collect all the money from everyone.
Right.
and whatever money got collected, they will give it to owner. Are you getting my point? The same way,
Right.
one agent environment activate, what it will do, if I'll give you the task, right? If I'll tell you you collect all the money and give it to me, that same information you will do it for me. Am I correct?
Right.
Same way,
Correct.
so what they they used to do is they collecting all the application data and sending to Dynatrace server.
Hmm.
Okay. Now, so first
Okay.
step is done. Now, second step is like if you wanted to have a cloud monitoring, then you should have this one. You wanted to have, these are the topics we'll discuss, points we'll discuss. But just to note it down, if you're writing it, if you're not writing it, then I'll send you the PPT after this class, or just you go through it. Okay. So
Okay.
these are the, so environment active gate is one component. We are installing this component on dedicated machine, either Linux machine or Windows machine. Okay. We are installing it.
Okay.
Okay. That
Yeah.
you clear?
Yes. Yes.
So
Excellent.
to have environment active get installed, there will
Hmm.
be a requirement. What kind of VM it is, what is the configuration it is. Am I correct? You
Correct.
are telling, right? Some software you are installing in your i3 processor, yeah, core 2 Duo system. It is not. They are asking, right? If you go in now we are using Windows 10, right? Now it is coming Windows 12, right? Already came in market. Okay. They are
Yes. It's all
checking
right.
your system. They are checking your system configuration. Am I correct?
Correct.
If you and so if it is that much GB RAM, that much GB space, it is there, then only it will allow you, otherwise it won't allow you. Am I correct? Same way, so
Correct.
environment active gate also required 4 GB of RAM,
Hmm.
2 virtual CPU. Note it down. So hardware specification of environment active gate is 4 GB of RAM, 2 virtual CPU. That is minimum.
Okay.
Minimum means you can say that, right? This software can be installed on this hardware specification. Okay. But if you keep higher, it will. So now if you are using i7 processor, yeah, i9 processor, how that? Everything will be running smoothly.
Yes.
When you use a lower version, something lagging will be there, like it will take time, all those things. Am I correct? Same way,
Correct.
that applications are also works in the same way. Okay. So environment activate is a component. Either you can install it on Windows server or Linux server. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now think environment activate server is down. What will happen? Just to think.
Yes. Then the communication between that the communication will not pass.
Communication means there is no monitoring. Am I correct?
Yeah. Right.
If environment activate server went down, somebody
Hmm.
had to stop the server, your server got restarted, yeah, something was happened. If you're using some data center and that there was some 9/11 hamla was happened and that the complete data center went down, then what will happen?
Hmm.
There is no monitoring. Am I correct?
Yes.
Because one
Correct.
agent will not send the data.
Right.
Am I
Hmm.
correct? Because you are installing, you are enable this module. So if this
Hmm.
server went down, then there is no response. So what we can do is for that, to avoid that,
Hmm.
what we will do to avoid that? You should have another environment activity. Am I correct? Now
Okay.
think just
Hmm.
people, somebody has a family, you don't say that,
Hmm.
and they have only one child. That
Hmm.
child went down, you understand it, right? Went
Right.
down,
Right.
what will happen? Nothing. There is no family. Am I correct? No
Hmm.
growth,
Right.
right?
Right. Right.
Still, this went down. That we can communicate from one agent to DT server directly. There is a way that we can do that, but there is no
Hmm.
that what you are looking for. Like you are trying to expand your environment. It is not happening. Am I correct? Same way. So to
Hmm.
have that, if one went down, still one we have. Means you should have two.
Right.
If two
That means
went down,
we can use a multiple environment activate here. Right?
yeah. So we can use multiple environment activate That is called high availability HA. Did you heard about that HA?
No.
That is means that high availability.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Means that if one is down, this went down, we have still 2. If this 2 down, still 1. If this 2 down, still 1. So permutation combination will happen.
Right.
Okay. If I'll do the configuration is in such a way that if this is not working, if this is primary, this is not working, can I start sending this one? If this is not working, I start sending this one. This 2 is not working, I start. This 2 is not working, I start sending like this. So at least 1 is working. Yeah, all 3 working, then it will go to first only. Am I correct? If this 2 is not working, it will go to third. If second is not, third is not working, first is not, it will go to second. So like that, so that means that we are using HA, high availability. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Okay. So in that way, you used to manage environment activate. Okay. We'll discuss about Dynatrace managed architecture is very huge. It will need another 1 hour to discuss. So we'll continue from tomorrow. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Want to study further? Join our training programs today.